this case, we're going to be using Google Apps Script in order to send an email to a specific recipient. So we're going to state the recipient's email address, the subject of the email, and then the body of the email, and use the mail app in order to send that. So let's set up the function, and this function is going to be named send my email. And then within the function, so we've got the recipient, and let's set the recipient. So I'm going to set it up as my email address, and that's the same one that I'm deploying the script with. Also going to set up the subject, and I'm setting them up as consts because I'm not expecting them to change. And then also let's create the body of the email. And next is the mail app function. So this is the function that's actually going to send the email. We're going to be using the send email method. And then within here, it requires some parameters. So the first parameter is going to be the recipient. The second one is going to be the subject. And then the third one is going to be the body. So it's going to take those arguments that are within the function, and it's going to populate them into the send email. So let's go ahead and we're going to run the code. So right now I don't have anything in my inbox, and we'll run the code. And we have to accept permissions whenever we're asking for interacting with any of the new or any of the script functionality that we want to allow it to do through our Google account. So I'm going to go ahead and allow it to complete. So it's sent out the email, and in the execution log it says the execution started, completed, so no errors. And there we've got our standalone script that we've granted the permission to, and then there we've got our email with the body, the subject, and the email that it was sent to. So that's how you can set up a simple email going out to an email address using Google Apps Script.